I really never liked the idea of cooking to impress, but I have nothing against a high-impact dessert that is ludicrously low effort. And this is what I have for you in the form of my double chocolate and strawberry tart. No baking involved. One of the chocolates is white chocolate. I find this Meunier bar very good because it's quite thin, so it melts much more easily. And the best way to melt this is over a pan of gently simmering water. And I have another form of chocolate, 2 packets of Oreos. Blitz these in the processor, and once I've got a good, dark, beautiful rubble, in goes some soft butter, and blitz again to form a soft, sandy crumb for the base. Look at those beautiful dark crumbs. While I'm here, I'm going to give this a quick, gentle stir. So I'm just going to tip this in now. It really does look like, you know, damp earth. Bit of fingers and knuckles and a spoon. So this now just needs to go in the fridge to set, and I can get on with the chocolate part deux. Let's see how the white chocolate is doing. Perfect. I can come off now. So I don't need this to be cold, but I don't want it to be actually hot when I add it to my Ocado double cream. And actually not just Ocado double cream, but also some Philadelphia cream cheese. And now, this is the right temperature. Now, I feel like I should whisper to convey how gently I want you to fold it together. Just gorgeous. Just a pinch of salt. And finally, a splosh or two of white rum. This luscious mixture is ready to go into the darkly lined flan tin. I'll just stick it back in the fridge to set a bit. Halve some strawberries, place them on top. I just get a bowl and I sit this on and I let gravity do its work. And final little bit, freshly chopped mint. And you can find the recipe exclusively on Ocado.com.